We don't really want to watch Perry Mason. That's an observation beehive. Let's just take a look at it, how it works. Back out, dog. There's a little brass screw right here. It doesn't have bees in it yet. I'm thinking about putting some in it. I have some colonies that are about to have laying queens. It'd be fun to have something to look at and do video. The problem with this observation hive, I guess I'll have to turn it maybe, so we can show it a little bit. It all comes apart, so you can put bees inside. Top comes off so you can check it. It has vents. It's well thought out, all except for one little detail. The distance between the glass is too far. It has screws where you could take the thing apart, but I think it's glued together and stapled, and to make it more narrow, I have to do some, really change things. It's almost like you need to just take the top and throw it away. But that's what it looks like. It has a queen excluder down at the bottom. It's so wide that they build this burr comb on the glass like that. That's not good. It's not glass, this is plastic. I don't know if you can see the details very well. Here's a pin where I can point, but if I could get the glass or plastic on this, just take out this spacer right here and here. On each side, it's like get back, dog, a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch spacer. It goes all the way around, and then the glass, and then the wood on the outside. I think if the wood glass was that much closer on each side, in other words, this piece here is the right width. If they would have just had the glass right up against it, that would work. But then that would change everything, and then including the lid. I guess to do this right, you have to build your own. And maybe someday I will. But this is what an observation hive looks like when you have it all the way taken apart. This one has a screen bottom where I can, check for mites and all that sort of thing. This has a little It has a brass screw. I don't know what I did with the other brass screws. Hope I didn't lose them. This one's extra long, but then you can open up this, and there's a plumbing pipe that'll fit right in there, like for your drain in your kitchen sink or bathroom sink. That size, it's pretty small, plastic tube. I have one that'll fit right in there, and so I can stick this in the window, and then have a piece of foam in the window, and then the bees will go in and out through the tube into the hive. You can have this set in a window, and then have it inside your house, and then have the bees actually going outside to do bee work, so they're not necessarily trapped. And it's pretty interesting. You have bees going in and out through your window, kind of. in a hole. And I don't know, I might set it up like that. Or you could just set it out somewhere in your yard. But you can't leave it like this very long, because it only holds like, I think, 5 frames in the bottom and then 1 in the top maybe. That's not a very large beehive, and things can get out of control pretty quickly. So you might have to, really be keeping an eye on it and checking it. I've got 2 of these. I thought I lost them, but they were in my pocket. It's a fun thing to have. I've had bees in it once. The cost on this has went up by about $70 since I bought it. I think I bought it for $129, and now it's $199. I went and picked it up with a bunch of other bee equipment, and I just kind of added it to my order. I'm kind of glad I bought the thing. It's neat. Observation beehive. And you can just pack it up and take it to someone else's house and show them the bees. Or they can come over and visit and just look. Neato, huh? Have a great day. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.